Enquanto isso, um presidente da igreja adventista a nível mundial defende que Jesus tinha natureza pecaminosa caída.
Book The Desire of Ages, page 49, indicates that Jesus accepted humanity when the race had been weakened by 4,000 years of sin. Like every child of Adam, he accepted the results of the working of the great law of heredity. What these results were is shown in the history of his earthly ancestors. He came with such a heredity to share our sorrows and temptations, and to give us the example of a sinless life. It would have been an amazing step down if Jesus had come to this earth as a king, a noble, a prince, or a talented artist. But he didn't stop there. When Jesus came, he came as the poorest of the poor to the manger of Bethlehem, to be sheltered in the arms of a young peasant girl, welcomed by shepherds, and to live the hand-to-mouth existence of a first-century carpenter. Believe it or not, Jesus did not stop there. He was willing to put aside his unity with the Godhead, his love and commitment to save us, to save you, to save me. I want this to become very personal. Jesus came to save us as individuals. He came from that exalted heavenly position to this earth. After 33.5 years of perfect living, teaching, and healing, the Almighty God of the universe, who had mysteriously taken the nature of fallen humanity, said, "My time is now come." Who had mysteriously taken the nature of fallen humanity.
Imagine como é diabólico isso, você dizer que Jesus Cristo veio com a natureza de pecado. Jesus, santo, puro, que nunca pecou. Ah não, ele veio com a natureza de Adão depois do pecado. Sabe quem quer fazer você acreditar nisso? O diabo.